Now, I want you to imagine apple slices and all the warm, festive spices that you can think of. Now, imagine combining them together to form the most moist and delicious apple bundt cake. Now, this is a recipe that I have for you all today. And if you're just watching me for the first time, my name is Ife, and I hope you keep watching and you enjoy the video. As it's my custom, I'm going to list out all the ingredients that I used and the measurements in the description box below so you can check it out. And if you have any questions or recommendations or anything at all, any comments, you can drop it down in the comment section and I'll do all to respond.